Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is measurement. In this one, length, mass and the capacity. These units and their related the applications, or we can say they related the examples that we are going to see. And before that one, that length, mass and capacity, their units and their convergence, and what exactly the units are there. Okay, listing of the units are there, that we are going to see. Length, in a length is measured with a meter, okay, or we can say meter having some parts. Okay, so meter also have means 1 meter is equals to, there are the some centimeters, there are the some millimeters. Okay, so 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So this is very important convergence. So please students, this convergence you have to remember. Okay, and 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. Now here most important things is that one, this millimeter, or we can see in a short form mm showing. Okay, small m. Okay, meter sometimes showing capital M or small m, but only 1 m. Okay, so now 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now millimeter is very smallest unit of the length measurement, or we can say the distance measurement. Now in your scale also you can see that the smallest, or we can say the least count. Okay, least count means LC also sometimes mention. Okay, least count means smallest counting. Okay, that is the millimeter. Okay, so 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter and 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So as per this one, 10 multiplied by this 100 means 1000 millimeter is equals to 1 meter. Okay, and 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. So please remember 1000 millimeter. Okay, 1000, 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter. Okay, or we can say 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, because 1 centimeter is equals to 10 or we can say 10 millimeters. So this is the related to the length. Now related to the mass, or we can say the weight. Okay, now our weight also we are measuring in a kilogram. Okay, or grams also, but mostly the kilograms. Okay, so 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. That very important, this one. Okay, so this is a generally kilogram and grams. Okay, then capacity or volume. Now suppose this is a one pot. Okay, so this is a one jar, we can say, or one pot. Okay, so inside this one, whatever the volume, or we can say the air, or if we have fill up with the water. Okay, with the water, this, so this water completely filling up to the top one, so that much water, or we can say any liquid or milk also, so that much capacity, or we can say the volume, that we are measuring in liter. Okay, so might be you have seen while measuring the milk. Okay, there are some standard measurement pots are there. Okay, so that are called the map. Okay, so half liter, then 250 ml map, or we can say 1 liter maps also there. Okay, that is the standards, so that are using for the capacity or volume measurements. Okay, so 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter, or sometimes m and then l also mentioning. Okay, so now this is related to capacity. Now half, quarter, three quarter, this already we have seen in previous chapter. Okay, half means what, 1 by 2, or in decimal 0.5. Okay, then quarter means what, quarter means 1 by 4. Okay, or we can say 0.25. Then 3 quarter means this multiplied by 3, or we can say 1 by 4 multiplied by 3 means we can say 3 by 4, or we can say in decimal 0.75. So that is very important. Now 1 meters half means 50 centimeter, because 1 meters is equals to 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter divided by 2 means 50 centimeter. 1 meter is equals to 25 centimeter, that is the quarter. Okay, because if we multiply 100 centimeter multiply by this quarter, okay, means 1 by 4. So 1 4 1 and 4 2 and 4 5 means 25 centimeter. Okay, so this convergence always be remember. Then like this one, 3 quarter means 75 centimeter. Okay, like this one for the kilometer, 500 meter means half kilometer, quarter kilometer means 250 meter. Like this one, 3 quarter kilometer means 750 meter. Then 1 kilogram is equals to half kilogram is will be 500 grams. For a quarter kilogram means 250 grams. For 3/4 kilogram means 750 gram. For a liter, half liter is equals to 500 ml, quarter liter is equals to 250 ml, then 3/4 liter is equals to 750 ml. Okay, so please understand this half, quarter and 3/4. Now metric units of measurements. So this kilo, then meter and centi and milli means millimeter, centimeter, meter, and then here the kilometer. Okay, that we have seen, but this hecto, this deca, this deci, that we have not yet seen. So for this one I have make one chart. So probably, possibly you will understand this very clearly for the length, mass and capacity, all this one. So here the main unit is the meter, here the gram, and here the liter for the capacity, mass and length respectively. Okay, so this unit means 1. Okay, now if there is a decameter, then that is a multiply by with a 10. Hecto means 1 meter multiply by 100, that is a 1 hectometer. If we have the 1000 meter, then we can say 1 kilometer. Okay, like this one, 1000 gram, that is a called a kilogram. 100 gram we can say the hectogram, 1 hectogram. 100 liter we can say the 1 hectoliter. Then 10 liter we can say 1 decaliter. Then 10 gram is equals to we can say 1 decagram, like this one. Okay, then after this one, divided by 10 also, from the meter, gram and liter, there are the some units. If we divide by 10 means in a decimal 0.1. Okay, means 1 by 10. Okay, so means 0.1. So if we divided by 10 to the meter, then that comes the decimeter. Again, if we divided by this decimeter with a 10, or divided by meter with a 100, that is a centimeter. Okay, we can say the 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. Okay, same vice versa, 0.01 meter is equals to 1 centimeter. Okay, now for this one, same for the grams, decigram, then centigram also there. So this is the multiply by 10, this is multiply by 100, multiply by 1000. Okay, and here multiply by 1 by 10, or multiply by 0.1, here multiply by 1 by 100, or multiply by 1 by 1000. Okay, or we can say in a decimal form. Okay, so for to understand this one, means this sequence better way, you have some means we can say jingles you can make it. Okay, kilo, hecto, decameter, deci, centi, millimeter, like this one, some jingles you can make. Okay, so this is the basic to understand the sequence: kilo, hecto, decameter, deci, centi, millimeter. Okay, once you have knowing or remember this sequence, automatically instead of this meter you can replace with a gram, or you can replace with a liter to get the mass and the capacity respectively. Okay, so this system, please understand hecto also, sometimes in questions asking about the hectometer, decameter or decimeter or centimeter. Okay, mostly millimeter and meter and kilo. Okay, kilometer, or we can say the kiloliter, liter, milliliter, these are very generals. But many times hecto, deca and deci, okay, related to these ones, some questions are asking in our exams. That time student don't remember these conversions, and they are making something wrong answer. So might be that they are losing their marks. Okay, so this is very important. So kilo, hecto, decameter, deci, centi, millimeter, like this one jingles you make and just remember. Okay, so now we are going to see some examples, and through these examples we are going to understand the convergence of their units. Okay, so question number 1: how many grams is 6 kilograms? Now kilograms, now kilo means what? Multiply by 1000. Okay, now to kilo to only grams convergence means 1000 grams we have to multiply. Okay, so 6 multiplied by 1000 means it's a 6000 grams. Okay, 6000 grams, and this is given in option number 4. Now question number 2, which is the standard unit to measure liquid? As already we have seen, the capacity or volume or liter any liquid, okay, means milk or water, that is always be measured in liter. So the option is correct. Option correct is, so the correct option is option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 3, 3/4 of a meter is equals to how many centimeter? Already we have seen here 3/4 of the meter is equals to how many centimeter? This is a 75 centimeter. 75 centimeter means option number 3 is correct. Now question number 4, a shopkeeper sold 35 gram 35 kilogram 250 gram tur dal out of 50 kilogram 500 gram. How much tur dal is left with him? Means this is a out of, means this is a total, okay, and whatever he has sold this much, so this minus this figure, okay, or we can say this sold capacity we have to deduct from this total, then balance will be left with him. To carry out this one, 50 kilogram and then 500 gram we can separately deducted, or as we know thousands gram is equals to 1 kg, so after the 50 we can maintain our decimal also, okay. So 50 this is a kg and this 500 is a gram. Now after keeping the decimal here, it's a complete in a kg, okay. So now this is a 50.500 kg, okay. Now this gram also we have converted in a kg, means 500 gram means 0.5 kg, okay, and after additions 50 and 0.5 it's comes the 50.5, or we can say after this 20 also we can maintain. Now subtracted with this 35 kg, and after this decimal this is a 250, okay. Now this is a gram, but after the decimal it completely in kg. So now 500 minus 250, that is a 250 is balance, or 1 by 1 also we can do. Now this decimal as it is. Now 50 minus 35 we can do directly, so this is a 15, okay. So 15.25, so in another way 50 kilogram and 250 gram also we can do, okay. So this is given in option number 3. Here unnecessary, this is typing error. So question number 5, 4550 gram is equals to how much? Now in options all are mentioning with kg and gram. So 4550 gram, so we have to convert in kilogram and gram also. As we know 1 kilogram is equals to how much? 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams, okay. So means if we divided this with 1000, means 1 2 and 3, so this means the 4.550, means 4 is a kg, okay. So 4 kg is mentioned in here and here also, okay. After this one 550 gram, so 550 gram is mentioning here, this is only the 50 gram is mentioned, so that's why option number 1 is a correct one. Or in another way 4000, okay, this is separately, and then 550 this is separately, this much also gram and this much also gram we can separate do, and 4000 gram is equals to 4 kg, and this gram we will keep it as it is. Like this one also you can make the segregations to convert, okay. Now question number 6, how many measures of 500 milliliter will be required to measure 10 liter of milk? How many measure of 500 milliliter? This is the one capacity of the pot, okay. So that one capacity of the pot having the 500 milliliter capacity, okay. So how many that we have to measures, okay, how many times we have to measure? So 10 liter means 10 multiplied by 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. Milliliter I just making in a short form milliliter, okay. Now this is equals to 10 and then this 30, okay, means 10, sorry this is not 10,000, okay, and divided by this 500, okay, 500. Now this is also ml and this is also ml. Now both are ml, and after the division this unit get cancels, okay. Now these two zeros get cancelled, these two zero get cancelled, so 5 ones are 5 twos are, and then 0 as it is, means 20 times. After this division ml will not be here, okay, that is only the number, okay. Now we are getting the 20 times. So 20 times measuring is required, means option number 4 is correct one. Question number 7, how many grams make 12 and half kilogram? Okay, 12 and half means 12 plus half. Half means we can write down like this one also, 1 by 2, or another way also 0.5, and then 20 we will maintain. Actually after the decimal 3 digits we will maintain, because kilogram and a gram having the relations with thousands gram and 1 kilogram. So for the thousands up to the thousands place we will maintain the this 0. Okay, so 12 kilo and then 0.5 kilo. Okay, now 12 kilo multiply by with the thousands, that comes the 12,000 grams. Okay, so this is the 12,000 grams, and this is a 500 grams. Okay, half kg means 500 grams. After this additions, 12,000 and 500 means 12,500 grams. So this is given in option number 2. Question number 8, 40 hectogram is equals to how much kilogram? As we know, the 1 kilogram is equals to 10 hectogram. So here 40 hectogram given means multiply by this 4, and here also multiply by 4. So here 40 hectograms comes. Okay, hectogram, and here 4 kg mentioned. Okay, so means we can say 4 kg, and 4 kg is given in option number 3. Now question number 9, if 2 meter 25 centimeter cloth is required to stitching one trouser, then how much cloth will be required for 4 trousers? So this is quantity of the cloth required for one trouser, and like this one 4 trousers has to stitch, means this multiply by 4. So 2 meter and 25 centimeter multiply by 4. Okay, so 25 centimeter multiply by 4 means 100 centimeter, and this 2 meter multiply by 4 means this is a 8 meter. Now 100 centimeter also we can convert in 1 meter, means this 1 meter and this 8 meter means is equals to 9 meter. So 9 meter is given in option number 3. Or another way, 4 meter and 25 centimeter. Now 25 centimeter is equals to, we know this is a quarter of the meter. So in meter we have to divide it by 100. Okay, means in another way 0.25, and 2 meter if we added in this one, so this is a 2.25. Okay, and then multiply by 4 also we can do, means with a decimal. So this is a way, or this is also another way. Now question number 10, if a 30-meter long piece of wire is cut at 5 places cut to make parts of equal length, what will be the length of each part? Now here 5 places cut means there are the total 6 pieces. Okay, means places gives, now this, if this is a wire, if 1 place cut means 2 parts, if 3 places cut means 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts, means total places cutting plus 1, that much of the total pieces comes. Okay, now each part is a equal, means there are the total 6 part and each part is equal. So this total length is a 30 meter. Okay, so 30 meter and divided by, these are the total 6 parts. Okay, so 6 ones and 6 fives, so that is just 5 meter. So option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 11, if 10 meter 50 centimeter long wire cut into 5 equal part. Now here equal part is mentioned, here not a places cutting, so already here parts given, then what will be the length of each part? Means in this one we have to directly divide this total length by 5. Okay, so 10 meter and then 50 centimeter divided by 5. Separate we can divide, or in a decimal also we can divide this one. Now 50 centimeter is equals to 0.5 meter, and this 10 meter, so that will be after the addition 10.5 and then divided by 5, or separate also we can maintain. So 10 meter divided by 5 means it's a 2 meter, and then 50 centimeter divided by 5 means that is a 10 centimeter. Okay, so this is also the way, but in options meter and centimeter are mentioning, so we will mention in meter and centimeter. So this is given in option number 1. Now question number 12, 14 kilometer 630 meter plus 12 kilometer 880 meter. Now in this one we will make the additions of meter separately and kilometer separately. So first we will do the additions of the meter. So 0 plus 0, here 0 mention, here meter mention. I will just mention the meter because we are doing the additions of the meter first. Then 3 plus 8 is the 11, so 1 here, 1 carry. So 1 plus 6, that is a 7, plus 8, that is a 15. Okay, then 12 plus 14, that is a 26 meter. Now this is a 1510 meter. As we know, 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. Okay, this is kilometer. So from this 1510 meter, we will take out the 1000 meter, okay, separately. So this is a 1000 meter and then 510 meter. This is equals to 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer, and this 1 kilometer we will add in 26 kilometer. Okay, so this 1 kilometer and 26 kilometer means that is a 27 kilometer, and this 510 meter will be keep it same as it is. So that is given in option number 2. Now question number 13. Half kilogram of sweets to each are distributed among 40 children of an orphan. What will be the total expenses of sweet if the rate of sweet is rupees 220 per kg? So before this one, we will calculate the total quantity of the distributions of the sweets. Okay, so half kg per children. Okay, so here half kg means 0.5 multiply by, there are the total 40 childrens, so 40 multiply by this 5 means that is a 200. Okay, and this is a decimals after one place, so means here one place, so this is equals to 20 kg, and 1 kg of the sweet is having rupees 220. Okay, so multiply by 220. So after this one, 20 0 as it is, 20 to the 40, 4 balance, 20 to the 40, and 4 means 44. So total rupees is 4400, and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 14. A gunny bag can hold 35 kg wheat. Wheat from such a 60 bags are collected and was then packed in bag with capacity of 50 kg weight. How many gunny bags of 50 kg weight size will be filled? So first of all, we will calculate the first total weight. Okay, so a gunny bag means one gunny bag hold 35 kg weight. Such a 60 bags are there, means 35 multiplied by 60, so that much the total wheat weight. Okay, after that one, that was collected, that was again packed in 50 kg weight of the capacity of in each bag. Okay, so first we will do this multiplication. So after this multiplication, you will get 0 as it is, and 6 5s are 30, 0 3 is there, 6 3s are 18, and then 3 means 21. So 2010, that much of the kg of the wheat is there total. So this is the total kg, then packed in bag with capacity of 50 kg weight. So how many gunny bags of 50 kg weight size will be filled? So this is the total and divided by total 50 kg weight of the one capacity. So 210, 2100 divided by 50. So this 0 get cancelled, this 0 get cancelled. So 5 1s are 5 4s are, and then 2 10 means 5 2s are. So there are the total such a 42 bags is required, and this is given in option number 1. Now question number 15. A vehicle covers a distance of 120 km in 3 hours. How much distance will it cover in 5.5 hours with the same speed? So speed is the same. Okay, so in total 120 kilometer in 1 hour, so sorry, in 3 hours, so we will calculate 120 divided by 3 means 1 kilometer, how much the distance it will cover. So it will comes the 40 kilometer, okay, per hour. So per hour mentioned, so such a speed is the same. So for 5.5 hours, so multiply by 5, so that will the 200 kilometer. This is also hours, okay, and this is also hours, but this is in division. So this division hours and this multiply hours get, so hours get cancelled. Only the kilometer is there, and half hours also there. So means 40 multiply by 1 by 2 or zero point 0.5 also we can do. So 2 ones and 2 twos are. So this is equals to the 20 kilometers. So after this addition 5 and half means we have to add this one. So same we have to add these two distances. So this is the 220 kilometer. This is given in option number 4. Thank you.